Another edition of Checker Nation.
I'm Mark.
I'm Jelani.
And we're going to be talking about how to cope during the holidays.
Yes. So, like, if this holiday season you find yourself alone this holiday season, you don't have a significant other, your family is not here, or you don't get along with them, what I suggest that maybe you would do to fulfill yourself and feel like you're not alone this holiday season is volunteering.
That's a great idea.
There are a whole bunch of different organizations that you can volunteer and lend a hand to. There's animal shelters, there's homeless shelters, yes, feeding the homeless, caring for the homeless, and just all kind of things. If it's your child's school, it's a number of ways you can give back to the community and not feel alone this holiday season. So I would suggest that. That's a good one.
And if you do choose to spend time with your family and you're not close to them, however, but you want to make an appearance, go set up time limits. That has worked for me in the past. Set up whether it's 30 minutes or an hour. Set that up.
2 hours, whatever your cutoff time is, so your stress level isn't up, and you know that you don't get along with certain people in your family. At least you went, you know, and showed your face, gave love to the people that you do love.
Exactly.
And, and then also with this holiday season, we are in a recession. We do know that. And maybe a lot of people might have a hard time with coping with bringing what to bring when they don't have any money, any income. So, like, the best thing I'd suggest would be going to that 99-cent store and picking up a cheap Christmas card. They have cards in bulk where you can get 15 for $1.
Oh, I didn't know that one.
Oh, yeah, they do. I get my
Christmas 2 for $99.
Oh, no. I get my Christmas cards there every year. They have bulk. So that's the one you got last year, by the way.
Oh, wow. So my card basically costs maybe 6 or 7 cents.
It still doesn't matter. It came from the heart, and that's the point.
I'm messing with you.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, so again, that's the message. Do not put yourself in an awkward position of going broke to try to please someone or impress someone.
That's right.
And that's the thing a lot of Americans do. They go broke, yet to impress when they know deep down they don't have the money.
Or to please other people when the other person really is not expecting anything at all. You don't have to please.
Right.
You don't have to please anyone else. They really don't want... Nobody's not expecting a gift. Right. You know, so anything that you give is going to be something that they're happy with.
Right. So again, this time of year should be stress-free. Stress-free. And spending time on the people.
It's all about spending time.
Exactly. Whether it's going to a volunteer shelter.
That's right.
Or a close friend or friends or family. But just make sure you don't put yourself in a emotional bind in which you're basically making your emotional self bankrupt by not taking care of you. That's
right. Don't bankrupt yourself financially or emotionally this holiday season. Just have a really good time and be safe. Be safe out there.
Thank you, Jelani.
Thank you, Mark.
Anytime.
And I do have my own show coming up soon.
Our next show is going to be on fitness, how to stay slim during the holidays, because they said the average American puts on during this time of year at least 8 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And
so you put yours on early this year, or?
No, I should have a show daddy.
Okay. Sorry.
We're going to do our next show dedicated to keeping the weight on. You might want to tune in, okay?
Okay.
Love you. You know that.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.